Welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking about the top 5 UI design do's and don'ts for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your UI design skills, this video is for you. Let's start with the do's. First, do focus on user experience. It's important to put yourself in the user's shoes and create designs that are intuitive and easy to navigate. Next, do use white space effectively. White space can help guide the user's eye and create a clean, organized layout. Third, do prioritize consistency. Using consistent colors, fonts, and styling throughout your design can help create a polished and professional look. Fourth, do test your designs. Get feedback from real users and make tweaks based on their experiences. And finally, do stay updated on design trends. UI design is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay current with the latest trends and best practices. Now, let's talk about the don'ts. First, don't overcrowd your designs. Too much information or too many elements can overwhelm the user and make it difficult to find what they're looking for. Next, don't choose too many different fonts or colors. This can create a disjointed and unprofessional look. So, I hope you've learned something new. If it did, then make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to get more informative videos in future. Till then, bye.